Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is in regards to DMX Smart Link tutorial in regards to some customers reporting issues in regards to the host name not working when they create it. So the issue is some networks do not let you create your own DNS records locally. And what you will have to do is use the IP of the Pi. So I'm going to show you how to do that from scratch. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to actually making the Pi from scratch, and then I'll show you how to find the IP and use that to manage your DMX Smart Link hub. All right, give me a second, and let's start this real quick. All right, there we go. All right, so first thing we'll do is start with the Raspberry Pi imager that you can download off the internet. Make sure you download it for a Raspberry Pi 5. Then once you do install it, you will need to go ahead and use one of these. It's a USB SD card reader. And what you do is you put your SD card in here. So let me do that real quick. I'm gonna grab my stuff, so I'm gonna pause real quick while I do that. Give me a second. Alright, so I got my little SD card. Okay. You're gonna get one of these with your kit if you buy it. I'll leave a link to the actual Pi kit from Amazon that you can get. It has everything you need. You connect it to your monitor. It has one of these type of things and all that goodness. Okay, so give me a second. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. All right, so do that right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the back of my computer, and we'll go from there. All right, so we're back. It's connected. As you can see down here, I am going to go ahead and select Raspberry Pi 5. And then 5 again. Choose OS. It's going to be a 64-bit Raspberry Pi. Storage. It's the 64 gigabit. It'll come with you, whatever that is for you. Edit settings. And I'm going to go through everything. Just put the host name, DMX Smart Link. Even though it's not going to matter for you if it doesn't work, you're just going to have to use the IP. Then the username is DMX, password is DMX. Just to make things simple, you can do whatever you want, but that's my recommendation in the beginning. Just get it working. Do not configure your wireless network unless you really want to. I don't recommend it because of how ArtNet works. It's better for it to run through the LAN and then push the packets via Wi-Fi to your smart bulbs. One way. All right. Set local settings. That's up to you. Great. Services. Make sure the SSH is enabled. Set password authentication. That's it. And then options. I just select all of them and save. Then go ahead and click yes to apply the settings, and click yes to wipe out your SD card. We're going to do that. Alright, so while it's doing its thing, I'm going to pause it and be right back. Alright, so it's done. And what I'm going to do, click continue, close this. I'm going to grab my SD right here and put it into my Pi. See here. Okay. It's done. And then I'm gonna switch camera real quick. Alright, so here's my Pi with the SD card in it, and I'm gonna plug it into my Ethernet here, and then here's the power cord, USB-C, put it in, and it should be good. And you'll see the green light on the bottom. It means it's booting up, so I'm gonna give it a second. Okay, so once you're done with your Raspberry Pi, go ahead and connect everything to it in regards to your monitor, keyboard and mouse, And then you will see something like this. Let me see here. All right, this is the boot up. Since you don't know what the IP address of it, you can just go ahead and click this terminal right here, menu. And then you do if config, press enter. And it should be right here where you see ETH0. And you can see that under init right here, mine is .170, so you need this IP address right here. And we can actually go ahead and access the DMX Smart Link right from here if you want to. Okay. Or because you downloaded it on, the software on a different system, we can actually just SSH into this and do everything. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to open up PuTTY instead. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it. So on your Windows machine, right, or whatever system you're using, go ahead and open up your WinSCP right here. Let's see here, new tab. And connect to, so mine it says DMX Smart Link, but you can change this, right, to that IP address that you got. So what was it, 170? Yep. Right there. Password was DMX. Save it. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay, and log in. So it'll go ahead and let you in. Okay, so then you go to our website right here. And let's see. You just on our website is going to be this one, and then just click DMX Smart Link 7-day trial. You can get the trial if you've never tried it, but if you already purchased it and you're having some issues, or if you didn't, you just scroll down and click this download DMX setup link, and it will download it right here. Okay, it does that. You go ahead and extract it. Let's see here. It's gonna look like this. And just click extract all. It's gonna pop up here. Just click extract. All right. And then I can close this one. And here's the actual extracted one. All right. And let's click on our WinSCP. And all you have to do is double click the dist pi 5 and select everything and just drag it over. That's all you gotta do. Okay. Boom. It's done. Okay. So you can either SSH from here to manage it, or you can go directly to the Pi. I'm going to show you how to do it from the Pi. Just go right into it, right here. Okay, so this is the Pi. So we already have our terminal open, so this will be a lot easier. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Let's see, ls, and you can see that everything is there that we just downloaded, and you see the setup.sh. So to make it work, before you do anything, I recommend doing sudo su. Sudo su, because this will give it the right permissions it needs to run the script properly. Then we need to change the permissions of the setup.sh so it's executable. So you do chmod plus x and then setup. Okay. Yeah, you can see the Pi in the back right there in my screen. And what that'll do, will make it permission, change it to executable. If you do ls, you'll notice, well, maybe not on this one, never mind. Just type in period / setup.sh and press enter, and it should do the rest, just like it was in the other videos that you've seen. It should be done. Alright, I'm gonna pause it and come back. Well, actually, no, I'm not, because there is a prompt that pops up, and this is important. You gotta press enter. So let's see. All right, so this is the prompt that comes up. Make sure when it's here, you just go ahead and press enter, click OK, and it will continue doing what it needs to do, and then it will stop and reboot the Pi. All right, so when it's done, you're going to see this 20 seconds left. It's going to reboot after 20 seconds. And then, boom, there you go. It just died out. So once it comes back, it should be fully up. So let me come back when we're done with that. All right, so we're back at our Pi. And here, I can do it on Windows or on this. Actually, it should have already done it. You can actually go to your browser. Let's do that. We'll just go here. Okay. So here, just make sure you do HTTPS 192.168.1.170 for us. It's going to be different for you, and then colon 5000. Whatever your IP address. Press enter, and there it is. It should work. Click that, and then proceed. There you go. We're done. And then the first thing you should do, go, you can see it. My license is valid. Yours is going to be invalid until you either get the trial by putting in your email into this website right here. Let's see. Oops. Up here. Just put in your email and click Get Trial. You get an email with the license and the download. So whichever you want to do. Once you have that, go to Manage Config and paste your license in here. Okay. That's it. And we're back up. Yeah, just for fun. Let's see. All right, so you're going to see your valid license. This one's for 7 days. The trial one is going to look like that. And then to make sure everything's working, click ArtNet output. And it should tell you that the license is valid and that the listener is up. That's it. We're ready to go. And then you can use your favorite DMX software. So we're done. That's the troubleshooting steps. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and comment, subscribe, and like the video if it helped you. Or if you're having any issues, just let us know in the comments. Send a support email to support@WhiteCrowSecurity.com, and we'll go ahead and respond and try to help you. But and if need be, I'll make more videos on any other issues you come up with, or adjust the software and update it. The license is good for a year when you buy it, and it's to support me to be able to work on it and make it a better product for you. All right. Thank you all. Thanks for watching and tuning in, and have a great day. I think today is 4th of July, so enjoy it with your families, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.